Faster! Faster! God, he's a monster. We're halfway done. Halfway done with our whole pile of paper. Cody's just gotta go through that. Can you just do the ribbon? He's demolishing that phone book. Were you just growling? You beat my record already. I think this is our dream come true. Look at all these papers. It's like the leaves in fall when you break them up together.
Ready?
Go crazy. Ow! Hey!
These are the fans!
No! No! Ow! Cody!
Just say like, well, after about 2 hours of Cody playing around, this will happen.
Okay, ready? Well, Cody had some fun. He threw around a lot of paper, but after 2 hours, this is what finally happened. Oh, poor Cody. 2 hours of fun! No more!
2 more hours of fun!
Are you done?
No.
Is it my turn?
No way.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Now I know what it feels like to swim in them. Ooh, money!
Yeah, ow! Pretend it's money. Ow, dude, the camera. Be nice to the camera. The camera's your friend, not your foe.
Not done yet.
Ow. Oh, God. Here, turn the fan on. Don't touch the fan. Wait, Cody.
Me again.
This is another day of letting Cody be Cody. Try not to get the stuff in the fan, buddy. I'm saving these. Are you done yet?
Nope.
When is it gonna be my turn?
In an hour.
Okay. Oh no. No. Fuck.
Well, I had 5 fun.
He's going to sleep.
Good night.